So here we have the Google homepage. At the top, beside images, news, groups, books, and Gmail, there's a button that says More. So we click on More, and we see down the bottom Sites. This brings us off to the Google Sites. So I have an account already, so I just put in my details, my password, and sign in. What we get is a list of all the Google sites I've ever made. I have one called Should I Choggle, which is where my father's from, and just another one. So I'm going to create a new site. So we just put in the site name here. We're going to call it Brian and Donald's site. And we're not going to bother putting in a site description. So we continue on then. We can pick, we don't have any mature content. We're going to share it with everybody in the world. We're going to go for a charcoal theme, but we could pick more themes if we want. Charcoal is my favorite. And then we have to put in this code here, and this code just is just so that computers can't make up their own websites, because computers can't read that text. So we create a site. We must have got it wrong, so let's try it again. So here is our new site. It's called Brian and Donald's site, and we're on the home page. So to add information to the home page, we're going to go Edit Page. So we click on Edit Page, and a list of options come up the top here. This is what the content of our site is going to be. So the first thing we're going to do is just a little description. This site is all about Brian and Donald working in DCU. And we're also going to add an image, which I have on my desktop. So I click Insert Image. I'm going to choose up to upload an image, and it's on my desktop. This might look a little different to your computer because this is an Apple computer, but it's still looking on my desktop. So I go Brian and Donald's photo, and it uploads it, and then I click on it and click Add Image, and now the image is on my home page. So if I want to edit the size of the picture, I can change the size of the picture by clicking on these icons here, which make it smaller and larger, or I can go to Original, and I can center it by clicking on the C. Now, I just save my home page as I go along to make sure everything is okay. If I wanted to add a link, I could do that by doing the same thing. I go to Edit Page, and I insert a link. So I insert a link, and we're just going to link to DCU. So we go to a web address and link to www.dcu.ie. And we click on this little button here because we want the link to open up in a brand new page, not just go away from our website. So we click on this, open this link in a new window, and click OK. Now here we have the link to DCU. If we click Save, now we're not in the edit view anymore. So if we go over the link and we click on it, it opens up in a brand new tab up the top. So we'll go back to our website, which is here.
Now, if we had wanted to link it on DCU, we'd have selected DCU. Edit page. Select DCU. Insert link. Web address. Open link in the window, and OK.
Now when we save page, this link and this link works equally well as your link to the DCU website. The final thing we're going to show in this tutorial is how to add a video. So we're just going to go add a video from YouTube. I have the YouTube video here ready and waiting. So I highlight the URL and I edit copy, and I'm going to go back to my home page here. Again, I have to edit the page. You don't have to keep saving it if you want to do all your work in the one go. You can do that. Then I insert video. So I scroll down to video, and my video is on YouTube. So I click YouTube, and it asks you to paste in the URL here. So I'm going to right click and paste. We don't want a title, so we can just unclick that there, and we'll leave the border. So hit save, and now my video will play on my home page. I can center it. I can center it if I like. So let's just save that and have a look at our home page. On our home page, not very pretty at the moment, but we could work on it. We have a video, we have a link, and we also have a picture. Now up the top here, if we just see the URL, this URL represents where our site is on the internet. So anyone in the world who sticks in that that URL will be taken off to our website, regardless of whether you know anything about Google Sites or not.